Day number 31 of my captivity. It appears as though the females of this pack are attempting to show dominance over the males by shrieking at them at high-piercing volumes about trash and vacuuming. I do not know what these forms of art must be, but the females are very intense that they get done. I would not want to cross them. So I have done the only logical thing, of course, by taking sanctuary under the pinked one's sleeping mat here. Seems to be the only thing that is even slightly capable of muffling these deadly volumes. Unfortunately, the pinked one seems to keep the most odd assortment of objects under here as well. An odd place to store things, I must say. Like this. What is this thing? I like this thing. It's mine. Well, although my ears may bleed, at least I shall not starve.